Alright, welcome to State City Escalators Productions Mini Hotel Tour. This is here at the DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel in Margaritaville, America. And I want to get this good view of this beautiful, beautiful lobby. Look at this lobby, it's beautiful. And over here is your breakfast area. This is where your seats, like chair and tables, like every in the morning, for like what hours?
What, 6 a.m. to 9 p.m.?
6
9 a.m.?
6 or 7 o'clock to 9:30 a.m. Kind of like at the Quality Inn in Cornhusker Highway. And a big thanks to the front desk manager for the animator for allowing me taking pictures. Over there are the main elevators. You go take the right one. I'll take the left car. These are Otis Series 1 from 1988, modernized in 1993. So here we go. Which one is gonna be? Which one?
On the right.
I mean the left.
Oh, yeah, the left.
This hotel was opened in 1988. Let's go to 8. These are Otis Series 1 fixtures. And their attraction. Here are 8. Over the door. It's a nice view of hotel lobby. It's nice hotel hallway for TJ Elevator fan. Alright, let's go back in and let's go back down to 1. Here are fixtures, Series 1 fixtures. Indicator, full indicator. As noticed, 3,500 pounds, 3,500 pound, 1588 kilogram, 21 peoples, fornicator, right here are 1. Alright, here we are.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright. So, okay, thank you so much for allowing me taking pictures of this old animated hotel.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright. Is that it?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright.
And the next one.
So you can see the next hotel tour, animated hotel tour will be the Hilton Garden Inn in Margaritaville, America. The newest hotel in Margaritaville, America. And what do you say now?
That's it. Good night.
And
Bye.
And all right. That's it.
Bye.
So, and tonight we're going to show both showing the Morristown Mall on my iPad. With so that being said, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. That's it.